Hey guys, I want to show you how to set up Klarna, which is an interest-free payment system that will let you pay off your kit in 4 installment payments interest-free. Okay, so it is this, download the app in your app store. It's the pink one with a K. So when you open it up, first it'll ask you to go ahead and register. So it'll ask you for your name, your phone number, your email, your address. It does not do a credit check at all whatsoever, which is fantastic. What you're going to do is then you're going to go ahead and create a ghost card, which is right here. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to create a new card. So, and then it's going to ask you, where do you want to shop? So all of these people already have the Klarna. So you're going to just enter in my website address. So www.pureromance.com/Connie Mortz and then hashtag starter kit. So that way it goes, actually just do Connie Mortz. It should just work there. And then you're just going to hit search or hit pureromance.com. And then it says, how much do you plan on spending? So based on what kit that you are going to get, I'm going to go ahead and tell you this amount. We're going to overshoot because basically the amount that we put here is going to be the maximum amount that you can borrow from this, what they call the ghost card. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put 200 here. So hit continue. You can go ahead and add 10% just in case I mess up on the like an estimation or whatever, but it says up on the top, as you can see here, it says you will only be charged for what you end up spending. So even if you put, we have 220 in there, that doesn't mean you're going to do 220. Okay, so then just go ahead and hit continue. And so I already have a backup card in here from before. When I tried to play with this before, but this is there, it will ask you what payment method. So this is where the card that's going to come out of your account every 2 weeks. The first one, the first payment is 1/4 of its due is the date of purchase that Klarna will charge you. And then every 2 weeks from the purchase date. Okay. So $55, it says your receipt will be reserved on this card. We will release it if the card's not used within 24 hours. But they're just going to put to make sure that there's at least $55 into your account. So it's more of a hold. And then just go ahead and hit continue. Okay. Same thing I just said. And then hit create your $220 card. And then here is your temporary card number. How cool is that? So I do have a special coupon code that you will get $25 in free product on your very first order with Pure Romance after you get your kit. So if you would give me this card number, I can go ahead and enter that in and also put in that this code that I have for you that way you can redeem your first $25 in free product. So and it's only valid for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, the card disappears. And then you can delete it from here or whatnot. So you can also, let's go here. So here is my, when I exit out in my home screen, I have these ghost cards. So you can do multiple different places if you really wanted to. So that is it, guys. Can't wait for you to join our team and start your new journey.